Okay, now I'm going to review the Dior Ultimeyes and the DiorShow by Dior. I just have a little sample size of this one too. For the Ultimeyes, I have bought this maybe 3 or 4 times now, and I use this on my bottom lashes, usually just my bottom lashes, just because the brush is so small, like you can see. I really like it because it's really easy to get in on those like really smaller lashes, and I don't really use it on my upper lashes as much. I used to use this every day with my MAC Fiber Rich mascara with a MAC on the top and the Dior on the bottom. So yeah, that's what I usually like using this one for. And then this is the brush for the DiorShow, as I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with. It's a mini one, so the wand is a little bit shorter, but that's the brush. It's a pretty large brush. It's a pretty fat one too. It kind of reminds me of the Lash Injection and the Urban Decay Fat Lashes or whatever it was. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do one coat of the Dior Ultimeyes. Okay, so I'm back with one coat of the Dior Ultimeyes on this eye here. Like I said, this one isn't very great on the top lashes just because it's, I don't know, it doesn't really curl very much, and it's just kind of like boring, and it kind of lengthens, but there's no volumizing. But my bottom lashes look great, and it's really lengthening on the bottom, and it's just really good to get in there. You don't get any smudges or anything because the brush is really thin, so I really like this strictly for the bottom lashes. I'm going to go ahead and do one more coat so you can see, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with a second coat of the Ultimeyes. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of starting to get a little clumpy on top. And I don't know, I usually don't need 2 coats on the bottom. So, this is kind of subpar with 2 coats. It just looks kind of like chunky. So I'm going to go ahead and do one coat of the DiorShow mascara. And okay, so I'm back with one coat of the DiorShow on this eye. I don't know if you can see, but I kind of have it all over the place. This stuff is kind of messy because the brush is so big. You can't really be very precise. So I have it kind of under my eye, and it's a little chunky. Not my favorite. I know a lot of people really like this mascara, but no matter how many times I try this, it's just really not that great on me. Maybe it's just my lashes, but I'm not a huge fan. I'm going to do one more coat of this. Okay, I'm back with 2 coats of the DiorShow on this eye. It's getting pretty clumpy, and it's all under my eye there, which is really hot if you're into that. I just really do not like this mascara. I've never liked it. It's just clumpy, and the brush is huge, so it's really hard to, get in the corners and not make a mess all over your eyelid and underneath your eye. It's kind of just clumpy and gross. And then the Ultimeyes is soft, but like I said, it's just kind of boring, kind of like the L'Oreal Bare Naturel.